exciting.
Katie's making a really exciting lunch today. It's an Indian dish.
It's a packet from Costco that I stick in the microwave or heat up in a pot.
Let's check it out.
Right. Yeah, watching water boil is the most fun.
After Katie's awesome lunch, we're headed to the pool now. It's $7, and we'll be able to use the pool and the showers. So I'm looking forward to that.
It's at the local rec center in Jackson. The campground recommended it, so hopefully it won't be packed with kids on the holiday weekend. But
we'll find out.
We'll see.
We had a good time at the pool, and it's great to be showered after probably about a week. We're going to check out the downtown area now.
For you?
For me. Katie's been showering like every single day, several times a day.
This is my second one this week. Full one.
We just got out from dinner at Liberty Burger in downtown.
You didn't even have
I was going to say Rapid
drink.
City.
You sound drunk.
I was going to say Rapid City. We're in Jackson, Wyoming. It was awesome. I had a breakfast themed burger with like an egg on it and stuff like that, hash browns. It was great. And Katie had?
I had like a bacon barbecue burger, but I tried it as a bison burger because it's supposed to be leaner, and figure while we're out here, may as well try it. It was good. And yeah, it was a place called Liberty Burger. It was kind of one of those boutique like burger shake, alcohol places. Yeah, now we're going to see the fireworks at Teton Village.